Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you how to add BSP code in Visual Studio Code. So now open VS Studio Code. So you can see here this is Visual Studio Code. In my last video I have explained about how to download Visual Studio Code and how to add Nuvoton pack. So before work on the BSP code, we need to download the BSP from our Nuvoton GitHub website. So as you can see here, this is our Nuvoton GitHub page, and you can see here the BSP code new micro 8051 M4 M33, and this Visual Studio Code for ARM Cortex family, not for 8-bit microcontroller. So we need to download the BSP code of M2003. So I am using right now M2003 because I have a board of M2003 microcontrollers. So need to open this. So you can see in the go down, you can see here the M2003 microcontroller family, and you can select and download the BSP code. So this BSP code I have already downloaded earlier in my download folder. So you can see here the you can download from this. Now uh, I am going to open up on download folder, and you can see here the M2003 BSP code. In the BSP code you can select your microcontrollers. There are so many folders. In these folders you can see here some standard, you can see here the STD driver. So I suggest you first working on STD driver, and you can see here the so many examples code available. So now I am using GPIO input output. So go back to the Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code you can see here the file, left side corner, click on the file, and you can see here the open folder. In the file you can see here the open folder, and you can check the path of your BSP we have downloaded. So you can see the examples code GPIO input output. You can select anyone which you want to work, but I am going to select GPIO input output code, and you can see here the VS code folder. You can select and open this folder. As you can see is this project is loaded in VS code, and you can see here .json for activation. We need to activate the .json. You can right click on this and select activate environment. After selecting, you can see here the refreshing, and in right hand side corner like JSON activate environment successful. Now you can see here the left hand side simsys. You can see here your project, and in the project folder you can see main.c file. This is your code. Visual Studio, if you if you want to work on the Visual Studio Code, your application and project do very fast, because the API is linked and the colorful API is available, and you can select and jump to the function easily. And also this is the advanced tool for developer. So this is your main.txt file. You can see here the option for compile, the option load and debug, load and download. So first we need to compile. Click on this, and you can see code is compiling. Now you can see successful code is compiling done. And in the my next video I will show you how to debug the code in Visual Studio in my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you, friends.